Welcome back to the DIY Nanny channel. Today I am making a baby felt mobile. This is not the first time I'm doing it. I even have a video here on my channel making one for my nephew, and you can go check it out. This time it's for a couple of friends who is waiting on a baby boy, and we're throwing them a baby shower, and this is gonna be part of my gift. I actually made few felt mobiles before. They all had animals on them. I think one was under the sea theme, one had dinosaurs, and the last one is the one on my channel with the safari animals. This time I'm doing something different. First of all, I don't have a lot of time, so I thought if I'll go with simpler shapes with not a lot of details on them like the animals do, it will be faster. And I also wanted to create it with more natural colors, to be a little bit more quiet, I guess, in shape and colors. So this is what I got. This is my design. I'm gonna do clouds, mountains, and a moon. It's very simple. I don't think it's gonna take a lot of time. So let's go ahead and cut it. Okay, so I cut all my pieces. I have 3 clouds. At first I thought I'll go with the same shape, but then when I started changing the size of the mountain, I thought, why not just make it more interesting? So these are the clouds, and these are my little mountains with snow on top. And with the moon, I cut 2 options because I'm not sure what color I want to use. So these are my 2 options. I'm still not sure what I want to use. I put it all together and I'm not sure what's the best option. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start sewing and fill in the clouds and the mountains, and then I'll either have to make a decision by myself or ask a friend. I don't know. Let's start sewing. I'm gonna interrupt this little sewing montage and tell you a little bit about my gift. These friends who are having the baby, we have mutual friends with kids already, and they already gave them most of the big stuff you need, like a stroller and a bassinet. And also, and I know that for a fact because I was there helping organizing it, they gave them so many clothes for this little baby. So I was thinking, what can I give them that they don't already have or don't need more of it, or will have to go and exchange or return it? And I was thinking of making an essential basket. What is essential basket, you ask? Well, I think I just invented it, but basically it's what it says. It's a basket with essential things for baby and things that are in constant use, so you always need more of. So I got into Target, and first I got the basket because it's an essential basket, and this is gonna make it look cute, but also you can use it later for laundry, for toys, for books, for whatever. In this basket, I'm gonna put swaddle blankets that you can also use for burping, of course, and are always dirty and you always need more of. I'm gonna put this body wash and lotion, which is very important, and of course a diaper rash cream, which you always need more of. I got some pacifiers. You always lose them, what can I say? And with a newborn, you try different ones till you find the one that fits. So I got them the first try, I guess. And I got this nail clippers because I thought, what's something that you don't think to get until you need it? I think that's. Of course, the most essential things are books. These are two of my favorite, and I'm actually gonna use an idea from a friend from a different baby shower and write, like instead of a card, write something in here for them to have forever. So I'm gonna put this basket together, I'm gonna finish the mobile, and you'll get to see it. So I decided to go with the cream moon at the end. I felt like it's working out better with the rest of the colors, with all of those like kind of natural muted tones of colors. And I'm gonna use this little ring to tie everything together on top, and then it will be ready, and I'm gonna pack it together with the rest of the gifts I got.